All right, I just want to do a quick little video of a few additions I do to my Ranger boat, or modifications, maybe for that matter. First thing starting out, just a simple one here. On both sides, I add a little 1/4-inch bungee, which allows me to store planer boards really efficiently, so that way I can keep them out for different passes. I can keep them out for even trailering from day to day, but obviously allows me to not lose boards and obviously keep them nice, neat, and clean. Sliding down here, I have a little lure organizer or hanger. Just a very simple thing, but yet it works so well keeping baits out, especially when it comes to changing different colors fast with anything with any kind of hooks. Another one that I do is add some lights to the boat. And the first one being down here is the cockpit light. Obviously it's a big spreader light, salmon fishing, early mornings for tournaments, getting out there before it gets light out, I use this light. But even maybe it's rigging in the evening, before a tournament, or obviously anytime after dark. And then I also have, two on the front that shine just down the carpet of the boat, right in front of each console. That kind of lights the bow up. This one I think is really important for, a lot of times, unloading or loading maybe after dark, for the person either getting in or out of your boat can see what's going on. But just little simple things like that, obviously make your life a lot easier in the dark. But one thing I also do too is I add these gaskets here around for the step to help keep this compartment waterproof. A lot of times I have a lot of lures in there that I don't want to get wet, so I keep a gasket around there. And the same with the compartment in front of your feet, in front of the driver's console, is I put a rubber gasket all the way around this compartment here. Obviously helps keep that compartment a lot drier. And this one snaps together really tight, which allows that compartment to stay nice and dry. That's just, a few of the modifications I do. And one thing I guess that's probably really special that I'm not sure that anyone else does, is every hole in this boat that is drilled, any screws that we add, everything is drilled and tapped into the fiberglass with a machine screw. And I have to give a shout out to my buddy Keith Noggle, who is a machinist. That's one thing that he's really taught me with boat rigging is, just trying to keep everything nice, neat, and clean. And that's one part that's maybe a little overkill. But every hole is drilled, countersunk, tapped, and use a machine screw for any hole we add. And then we replace a lot of the ones that are just, with a regular, almost, wood screw that we take out and drill and tap to just maintain, those, a lot of times those machine screws hold a lot better and then don't back out as easy either. So it's just kind of a few modifications I do to my Ranger 621 Pro Fisherman.